So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening guys. I hope you guys are doing great and again ready to know about a new strategy. Excited to learn about that one. So guys, let me start with my introduction. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert from the Olymptrade broker. If you are new to the channel, so this information is for you guys that Olymptrade is keep on organizing these YouTube live sessions during which we are talking about different technical tools, indicators, strategies, market news, market updates, economic calendar updates, just to give you some information so you will be able to make some profits from our platform. So this is one of those sessions. So we are conducting these sessions in 8 different languages. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, follow us to stay connected with us. So whenever we will be coming live, you will be keep on getting update and you will be able to get some information about the trading. Just a quick overview that how we are going to talk about. So during this webinar, we are going to talk about the strategy named Safari, as you have already checked in the description. We will talk about that how we can apply it automatically, apart from that how we can apply it manually as well. So in case if the strategy is not available to you, so no need to purchase anything. I will tell you that how you can apply it manually as well. So we will hardly wait for 2 to 3 minutes. As I can see that traders are keep on getting connected, so we will hardly wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that we will kick off the session. We will talk about everything, and apart from the strategy, we will be talking about some topics like which are very important, I believe, like most of the traders are struggling with, which is money management and risk management, and it includes that how you can set your target, whether it's a stop loss or whether it's a take profit. So I will tell you, I will give you some technique that how you can make a target, move towards that, and once you achieve that, then how you can react, like whether you should move further, or if you want to move further, of course there are some techniques. If you want to quit the market for the day, that is also good to know. So before proceeding ahead, a couple of information guys. First thing, that the comment section is already open for you guys, so if you will find any difficulties, any question, any queries, make sure you mention in the comment section. I'll keep an eye on that. I'll keep on talking about those things, all those comments. And second thing, I just want to confirm that if my audio and my video is clear, so make sure you mention in the comment section. So if anything is there, if anything needs to be fixed, of course I'll fix it before proceeding ahead, so we will not be facing any difficulties during this session. So guys, make sure you mention in the comment section if everything is audible, clear, and also share the link of this webinar with your dear ones, so we can connect with maximum people, so we can help them with their trading. Just a one more minute wait, and then we will kick off the session. Okay. So as I can see that traders are keep on connecting with us. Guys, please give me a confirmation that if everything is audible and clear, so I can kick off the session. So comment section is for you guys. If you will find any difficulties, any question, any queries, feel free to write over there. I'll keep on checking them and I'll keep on helping you with your queries. So as I can see, so many people have already joined. So without any further dues, without wasting any time, let's kick off. So guys, welcome again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert from Olymptrade broker. I'm here to welcome you and help you with your trading concern. Junti Gogoi ji, we got a confirmation from them, so thank you so much. So let's kick off the session. Everything is audible. Perfect. Okay, so guys, the screen which is visible to you guys, this is the application version which is downloaded in my laptop. So of course you some of my traders, some of my friends, they might be using the application version in their mobile phone, or they might be using the browser version. So nothing to worry about. Everything is available to each one of you. There is a possibility that the button might be available here and there, but everything is available to you guys. So if you check my screen, there is a tower we can see. So there are 3 buttons. The third button is known as technical analysis. those traders, those who are using mobile application, the same button is going to be visible at somewhere at this place. So on the top they will be able to see their balance, just below that the name of the asset, and just right to that name of the asset the same button is going to be visible. Just click on that one. So this is the screen which is going to be visible to you guys. You just need to go to the strategies, scroll a bit, and here we can see the third strategy in the expert level holder strategy is Safari. This is a strategy which we are going to talk about today. So these three lines, these are indicating that this is for the expert level. This is the name of the strategy, the trading mode on which we can use. The first one is FTT, means fixed time trade, and the second one is FX, which means Forex. I'll click on the strategy. Guys, if you are not on expert level right away, no need to worry about that one. Like, don't think that this session is not for you. Stay connected. I'll tell you that how you can apply it manually also. So don't leave the session. And second thing, do not need to buy the strategy. Don't waste your money. I'll tell you that how you can buy it, how you can apply it manually. Okay, so stay connected. So small introduction video that how you can use the strategy. Right now you do not need to check that. I'm here to help you, so I'll be serving you the same. But in future, if in case if you forgot something, if you want to revise something, of course this video is going to be very useful for you. A quick introduction that how you can use it in a written format. That Safari is a very simple strategy based on MACD and Williams percent R with standard periods that is most suitable for the trend movement of the market. MACD and Williams percent R needs both above below zero line. I'll just explain it in a bit more brief, so leave it right away. Two oscillators we are going to use it in it. The first one is Williams percent R and the second one is MACD. I'll just click on the enable strategy. Guys, I can see that there is no noise in the comment section, so make sure if you have any doubt, any question, feel free to write over there. And so far just let me know that how's your trading is going on. Like, you might be joining the previous session also, so you might have some conversation with my colleagues, or apart from that, if this is your first session, so just let me know that how's your trading experience going on right now, like whether you are able to make profits or not. Because if you guys will speak up, that will be more easy for me to guide you that where you need help. Like, it's like a treatment. So if you need help in money management, of course we will be talking about that. If you need help in risk management, or if you need help with this trading psychology, strategy, technical tool, indicator, economic calendar, so anything if you need, just let me know. So guys, speak up, feel free to write your comments, because this is your time, ball is in your court. Make sure you mention your difficulties, so of course I'll try my best to help you. So far we have learned that how you can apply this strategy automatically. Now this piece of information for those traders, those who haven't reached to the expert level so far, they are still on starter or advanced level. So guys, you can take the screenshot of this part, or you can note down the frequency. So with Williams percent R, we need a frequency of 14, and with MACD we need a frequency of 12, 26 and 9. This is one of the information which I am keep on repeating. I'm only a starter and making loss. Janti ji, I am so sorry to hear that you are facing negative results on the platform, but just let me know, Janti ji, if you are using any technical tool, any strategy so far, or have you learned anything, or this is your first session. From last February I started trading, so it's been a long time that you have been trading on the platform. So just let me know, like, what's the reason behind your negative trades. So like, whether you are not able to hold on your over trading habit, or whether you are not able to make profits, like your strategy is not working, like where you are lacking. Just give me a little bit more information, so I'll try to customize the conversation as per your requirement as well. Okay, so just let me know, like, what's the reason behind your negative results. So guys, I am keep on telling my traders that always make a note, or always make a habit that you always cross verify what is the frequency which you need to apply, because sometimes when we are applying it manually, I'm not spread any negative. No, that is completely fine. Like, you are just sharing your experience, that is completely fine. So I'm not saying that you're spreading any negativity. I'm just asking you that what is the reason behind that, like you are facing some negative results. So just give me a bit more information, so we will be able to try to help you. Okay, so because once you will be having a habit to cross verify the frequency always, so sometime whenever we are applying any technical tool, any strategies, so that is not picking the correct frequency which we need. So always make a habit that you cross verify it and then start trading. So now I'll talk about that, maybe due to psychology. Okay, so I believe you are doing some over trading, right? Just give me a bit more. So I'll make sure that I'll cover this part, that how you can work on your trading psychology. Okay, so now this part for those traders, like those who want to know that how you can apply this strategy manually. It's very easy, guys. Go to the same button, technical analysis. All you just need to search for William percent R. See, there are two. One is Bill Williams fractile, the second one is William percent R. We need the second one. Click on the same. See, the frequency is the same which we need, but sometimes, as I mentioned, it's a different one. So make sure you have a habit. Again, we'll go there. I'll apply, look for the MACD. I'll apply the same frequency is same, but again, just a habit to cross verify. Now, guys, once you apply it manually, just click on this three dots and save the strategy. You can save it with the name, same name, the Safari, or if you want to make it with your name, with your own name, that is completely fine. But you can save it for further usage, so like you will be able to use in future as well. So I'll just remove it, and one small change which I am going to make on this strategy is only going to be about the visualization. We are not going to change anything with the frequency. We are not going to change anything with that. So what I am going to do is, I believe that the lesser the lines, the lesser the confusion. So that will be more easy for me to understand the strategy, to grab these signals, and to help my traders as well to understand the strategy. So I'll just remove this MACD line. I'll just remove the signal. I will only be focusing on histogram, but in histogram also I'll just make a small change. I'll just convert it into the line. The reason behind is, I believe that when it's in the shape of line, so that is more visible, that is more easy to understand that in which direction the MACD line is proceeding. You can use it as it is, but if you want to make some changes, of course you can do. So now we will be talking about the major part of this conversation, the major part of this session, that how to use this strategy, how this strategy is making signals. Very easy, guys, very easy. Just be focused. So in this one, as we can see that there are two oscillators. The first one is MACD and the second one is William percent R. So in MACD you will be able to see that there is a level which is 0 level. So very easy to know, understand. Whenever the MACD line is intersecting this base level, this is 0 level in the downward direction, it is giving you an indication that market can go into the downward direction. Vice versa, whenever the intersection is in the upper side, the market can go in the upper direction. You can see the examples also. So here was a intersection in the upward direction, the market went into the upward side, here in the downward side. I'll give you some more examples. So that was a scenario when there was a consolidation happening into the market. We will try to find some trends. So see, this is the one. So 1 2 3 4 minutes trade was positive. I'll show you some another asset also, so with a better example. Okay, so guys, see, here we can see that. So this is the fresh signal. So MACD indicated that market can go into the downward direction, and we can see that market went to the downward side. First confirmation we will be getting from the MACD, guys. Apart from Juntiji, if anybody else is having any doubt, any question, make sure you mention in the comment section. I'll be talking about that one. And Juntiji, stay connected. I'll be talking about your trading psychology also, so that might be helpful for you to work on that, and you will be able to make some profits. Okay, so second confirmation we are going to get from this William percent R. So these green bars, these are going to give us the indication that in which direction market can go. So again, three levels: minus 20, minus 50, and minus 80. So minus 50 is considered as the base level, so we will be focusing on that one. If these bars on the upper side of minus 50, the market can go into the upward side, in down. If on the lower side in the downward direction, so market can prevail into the downward direction. This is just giving a indication. So two confirmation, first from the MACD, second from the Williams percent. Whenever we will be getting both confirmation together, then these are giving us a signal that market might go into the specific direction, and we will be able to make some profits if we are taking a trade. But some conditions, guys. The first one, the fresher the signal, the better it could be. Second thing, there is no such strategies which are giving you a surety that there will be 100% profits. So make sure you consider this thing in your mind and then investing amount, because every strategy, of course there are going to be some signals which will lead to a negative result. So make sure you invest in such a way that in case if you are facing any negative results, you are able to recover it. Do not invest everything in a single trade and then say that, oh, that strategy was not good, that is the reason that I have faced some losses. Third thing, make sure before applying any strategy on your live account, make sure you practice and practice and practice, and then come to a conclusion that whether that strategy, that medicine is for you or not, and then apply on the live account. Okay, so I hope so far everything. Yeah, so very nice question, I missed that. So the duration for this strategy, the suggested duration is 2 to 4 candles. Why I am stating it's as candles? So if your chart time frame is 1 minute, so the trade time frame can be from 2, 3 or 4 minutes. If the chart time frame we are changing to 5 minutes, so the trade time frame will be 2, 3, 4 candles, means 10, 15 or 20 minutes. Now how to calculate that which time is suitable, like whether we should go for 2 minutes, 3 minutes or 4 minutes, all you just need to go with the back testing. You can come to a conclusion that which time frame is suitable for you. If you are aware about back testing, good to know. If not, just let me know, guys, in the comment section, so I'll be covering that back testing part also. That I'll just give you a quick overview, because I don't want to waste anybody's time. But if you need help, if you don't if you are not aware about the back testing, just let me know. Okay, so guys, the another important part of this session. So now we are going to do some, Jundiji, it's not about the success rate, like how much success rate is going to be, whether it is going to be more than 60% or less than 60%, but I believe that more than success rate, the money management, the risk management is more valuable, on which you should be, or everyone should be more focused. Because if your money management is good, even with the success rate of 50% or 55%, you will be able to make profits. But if your money management is not good, I have seen some traders, so those who are having a success rate of 80% also, but still they are struggling with their P&L. I'll just clarify it with, okay, yes, back testing is needed. No worries, I'll just give you a quick information about that one, and then I'll be giving you an example that how the success rate is not that much important as compared to money management. But before coming to that part, guys, now we are going to start some live trading. But before coming to that, some key points, some very important points. First one, this financial market, this is that is quite bit risky, so there is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So make sure you invest carefully, you learn everything properly. After that, you practice everything, and then you start trading, start investing. Second thing, all the trades which I have taken in my past, I am going to take in future, I am going to take in this during this session. I am responsible for everything, like everything is based on my experience, my practice. Third and the most important part, even though this session is going to be live, we are having a live conversation, but there is a possibility that there is a time gap, there is a telecast gap which lies somewhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open right away will be visible to you guys after 30 seconds or 1 minute. So there is a possibility, a huge possibility, that if you will be going for some copy trading, so you might be able to open the same position but a bit later, and that can lead to some negative results. So avoid copy trading. Try to focus only on learning. Deepak Nishaji, which gold trade you are talking about? So we haven't taken any gold trade so far. So the last trade which I have taken, that was on the Asia composite. But what extent we can? Juntaji, please explain MTG, like what you are talking about. So are you talking about the martingale? So guys, do not go for the copy trading. Stay focused, stay keep on trying to learn about the strategy. In case if you will be finding any signals, like always, you can mention in the comment section. Of course, I'll be taking trade on your behalf. Of course, I'm not going to share my profit with you guys, but of course I'm here to share my knowledge with you guys. So make sure you take benefit of that. Okay, so we will start hunting for the signals, and side by side we will be keep an eye on the comment section also. Okay, so sir, what about the gold trades? Junti suggested not more than. So Junti ji, as already Mr. Akpak has already given the information that you should not go for the martingale more than 3 steps, and there are 2 ways to use a martingale. Like, one is my way, one is the normal one. So I'll give you both the calculations, so that will be more easy for you to that how you can use it in a better way to stay in the market with a small capital for a longer duration. Just give me a quick moment. Let me look for hunt at least one signal. I'll just execute the trade, then we will talk about, and then we will also talk about the back testing. Okay, so the first confirmation is already there, so we are looking for the second confirmation. Once that is there, so we will be opening a trade in the upward direction. So MACD is about to cross this level. Okay, so the first trade we have already executed. Let's look for one more. And guys, I'll keep on trading back to back. I'll keep on taking trades, but this is not something which I'll suggest you to follow, because see, during this session I have to take maximum trades to give you examples, to make you understand that how this strategy is working, but there are no such foundations with you guys. So you will take one trade, wait for the result, look forward for that, like whether that was positive or negative. So as per that, you will be working on your money management and risk management, and then you will be taking your second trade. Okay, so the first confirmation is already there. We will be waiting for the second one, and then we will just take the trade. And okay, in 3 55% 6, is it possible to make profit? Just give me a quick moment, sir. I'll be talking about that everything. Just a quick moment. Okay, so whenever we will be taking trades, we will keep an eye on these levels also. Okay, so guys, now let me give you a bit brief that how we can analyze that how the back testing works. So back testing is very easy. So all you just need to scroll a bit back, select the chart time frame on which you want to trade, like whether you want to go for 2 to 3 minutes. So all you just need to do is just make an assumption that if there was a signal, if you would have opened a trade at this level, so which time frame was suitable? 1 minute was good, 2 minute was good, 3 minute was good, 4 minute was good. All 3 time frame were good. The second scenario, this level, 1 minute, 2 minute was good, 3 minute was good, but 4 minute was not good. So in this way you can make a quick chart, quick analyzation. So here again 1 2 3 4, all everything was fine. So in this way you can analyze that. Suppose like you will spend hardly quick 15 minutes to analyze that and make a chart that, and you will come to a conclusion that if I would have opened 20 trades on 2 minutes, 20 on 3 minutes, 20 on 4 minutes, and you will come able to find that if I would have opened trades with 2 minutes, out of 20, 16 were supposed to go into the positive side. With 3 minutes, 14 was supposed to go into the positive side, and with 4 minutes 18 or 17 were supposed to go into the positive side. So I can conclude it that 4-minute time frame was more beneficial as compared to another two. So in this way you can do a quick back testing and come to a conclusion that which time frame will be suitable. Second thing, if you are doing some back testing, make sure that you are always doing that such calculation on the same time zone window. What does it mean? So like the market is trading being traded in 3 different time zones. The first one is Asian time zone, which open up somewhere around 9:15 IST. Let's see how our last trade was. Okay, very nice. So we managed to make $8.50, and let's see how the trade went. So if we would have opened a trade for 3 or 4 minutes also, that was supposed to go into the positive side. And one more quick overview, guys. So as we can see that there was a resistance level, so the market has already crossed it. So I believe that market will go a bit more higher for a couple of minutes. Like if this candle completion will be on the upper side of this level. In fact, the market has already crossed this level. So let's see how it went. So we were talking about the so we were talking about the market time zones. So the first one is which is opening at 9 to 9:15 Asian market. I am talking in as per the IST, Indian Standard Time Frame. The second one is known as the London session, European market, which open up at 3 p.m. And the third one is US market, New York session, which open up at 7 p.m. 7:75. So make sure if you are doing some back testing, you can apply the same time zone or the same analysis which you have made on the Asian market to the European as well. Like you will be able to make handsome results, but I believe that during the US market, the time the volatility is I believe that is a bit higher. So make sure you make that analysis again, and you can analyze the market from 6:30 6:30 to 7:15 or 7:30. Just put a hold on your trading, or just reduce your trading amount. Make a calculation that whether the 2-minute or 3-minute time frame which you have been taking trades from the morning, everything is working same or streamlined, or you need to make some changes. Because so many traders, those who have joined my sessions in the past also, sometimes we are able to make profits with the same time frame, but sometime all we just need to make a small change in the time frame of the trade, and again the strategy is performing well. So make sure you work on that. Okay, so there is a question from Yogendra Batwalji that when we are conducting sessions in Hindi. So sir, on the same channel we are also conducting sessions in Hindi on every Tuesday and Thursday 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Same channel, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. in Hindi. So because this is a channel where we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So Hindi will be on Tuesday and Thursday, English will be on Wednesday and Friday, and another foreign languages like Thai, Arabic. There are so many languages we are also conducting on the different time. Okay, so in 3 steps martingale 55% success rate, is it possible to make profit? Janti ji, now I'll be talking about that thing. Before coming to that, let me just take one more trade, so we will be continuing our conversation. Okay, so our one trade was into the negative side. Let's see what happened exactly in the market. So if we would have opened a trade at this level, okay, let me see. Okay, so no worries, let's keep on hunting. Okay, so there was a very nice signal, but we have missed it. But I hope guys you are able to understand that how this strategy is working, and if any doubt is there, make sure. Deepak Nishaji, can you please explain that your comment forex trade minus $2,800 upward? Can you just explain a bit? like whether have you faced that much big Tuesday or Wednesday? No, sir. Tuesday and Thursday, 7 to 8. So today is Wednesday, Wednesday and Friday in English, Tuesday and Thursday. So this is the same process. Just subscribe the channel, so whenever we will be coming live, you will be getting a notification. So all you just need to stay active on YouTube at 7 p.m. So once we will start the session, so you will be getting a notification, or just open up the session and you will be in it. So you will be able to join the live session. So the same way you join this session, the process to join this Hindi session is also same. The channel is same, only the days are different. Tuesday and Thursday, 7 to 8. Okay. Deepak ji, please clarify your comment, and Junti ji, I'll be talking about your martingale doubt. Okay, so I'm sure that there is some data which floated into the market right away. It was a very nice signal, we missed it, but let's see. Let's take a trade with $30 for 2 minutes, and if the market will go into the downward direction, we will again take a trade in the downward as well, because I'm sure that there is some data which floated into the market, and now market will try to recover it. So there is a possibility that market will go downwards as well. If we would have opened a trade at this level, of course that was supposed to go into the positive side. Now market is trying to recover itself. Let me check one more thing. Okay, so any US dollar currency pair. See guys, so we might be able to see a big red candle in the assets where the US dollar is in front. Let's see if it's there. See, I'm sure that there is some data which just floated into the market. I was not I haven't kept an eye on that for today's news release, but these type of trends, these are the result of some data updation in the market. Data floated into the market. Okay, so market is trying to recover it. Another trade for a smaller time duration, 1 minute, $30 in the downward direction, because market is trying to recover it. Let's see how it works. Okay, well, we just need to change the time frame. Okay, so let's keep on hunting. Okay. Okay, so the another signal, $10 to one more trade in the downward direction. Let's see how it works. We were supposed to open this trade at this level. We are a bit late, but let's try. Okay, let me cover Junti's comment that how we can work with 3-step martingale with 55% success rate, and how the success rate is not that important as compared to the money management. Guys, just a small quick example. So just suppose if we would have opened 4 trades with $10 each with the profitability of 80%, we managed to make somewhere around $32, right? Now in case, just suppose like whenever we are doing such trades, of course there is excitement that everything is going great, we should increase the trade amount, of course we should make bigger profits. It's coming into the picture, like if it's coming into the mind, it's completely fine. Now how much you should increase? So in this scenario, the money management came into the picture. So what money management says, if you want to increase the amount, okay, it's fine, increase it, increase your profit, but increase it in such a way that if your trade is in negative, at least you should cover that negative result within your profit. I'll share with 2 examples. So same 4 trades, $10 each, 80% profitability, all trades positive, $32 profit. Now the 5th trade, The first trade, in first scenario, we took a trade with the excitement or with the greed, that we took a trade of 40 or $50. Now just suppose if my fifth trade is a negative. Now if I'll check my success rate, out of 5 trades, 4 trades were positive, so of course my success rate is 80%. But if I'll check my P&L, I am at minus $18, because $32 I have made from the profit, and $18 is deducted from my deposited amount. Now in this way, your success rate is good, but your money management was not that good. So as a result, with a high success rate, your P&L is in negative. Second scenario, now money management came into the picture. You increase the amount, you increase from 10 to 12, or make it 15, 1-5. You took 2 trades, both trades went into the negative side. Now success rate, you took 6 trades, 4 trades were positive, 2 were negative, so your success rate decreased from 80 to somewhere around 70-75. But now if you check your P&L, out of 6 trades, 4 trades were positive, 2 were negative, you increased the amount, you made a profit of $32 and you made a loss of $30. So at this level, still you are at a profit of $2. So in this way, even after increasing the amount, even after making some losses, still you are at a profit. So this is how your money management, correct money management, balanced money management can help you to stay in profit. Now I'll talk about the martingale. Okay. Now I'll come to the USA CPA data. Okay, so CPA data released. I'm sure that data might be in the negative side, because the gold went into the upward direction and US dollar went into the downward direction, because dollar and gold, they have a direct relation. They are related with each other. Yeah, so now I'll come to the martingale side. So how you can use the martingale in a layman language, in a simple word, like how you can use it. Just suppose you took first trade for $10. Of course, if that is going to be in negative side, you will be doubling up the amount. The second trade will be for the $20. If that trade is in a negative side, so 20 plus 10 is 30. So the next trade would be for $60. If that is in the negative, so I'll calculate everything, I'll combine everything, and then I'll keep on doubling up. So in this way, if you will keep on double up the amount, it is a very common scenario that you will be wiping out your biggest capital in a very fraction of minutes. With a very short span, you will be complete on wiping your. Okay, so this trade was negative, but this trade was positive. So guys, I have taken this trade on the basis of, see, whenever there is some data, so if there is a big push in the market, the market boom up, and if I'll zoom out, so I can see that. Let me just increase the time zone. So see, as we can see that there was a level of resistance. So there was a possibility that if market will not be able to cross this level, of course that market will go down, or market will try to cover itself. Because just suppose if these type of news keep on coming into the picture, so the prices will keep on increasing, prices will keep on booming, so the gold will touch somewhere around 5,000, 6,000, 10,000. So of course, whenever there is a such boom, so market try to cover it up, market try to control it, market try to recover all the trends, and there is a possibility of downward trend. That is the reason that I have taken a downward trade. This trade that went into the negative side, let me check whether we need to make some changes. Okay, so again, if we would have open a trade at this level, that was supposed to be in positive side, but we have tried to catch a running trend, so we met with an accident. Makes sense, that is completely fine. That was clear cut my mistake, so I accept it. Let's look for another. Yeah, so now I'll talk about the martingale, and after that guys, I'll come on the comment section again. So see, as I have already give you a calculation that you can keep on double up the amount and then you can keep on trading, but that can help you to recover your previous losses also. But in case, guys, understand one thing: if your 3 trades, 4 trades are consecutively negative side, then there is no surety that the fifth will be on the positive side. But there is a already doubt in your mind that the fifth can also go into the negative side. So rather than keep on trying, try to find the reason that where you need to work, whether there is some data in the market, whether you need to work on your strategy, your technical tool is not working properly, market is unstable, there is huge fluctuation. So that thing you can find with the $1 trade also, or in fact even you can try on your demo as well. If you don't want to endanger your $1 even, so you can trade with demo account. So first try to find the reason, then work on your trading, then try to make money. Second way of martingale, that how you can use your martingale in such a way that you will be able to use your capital for a longer periods. The first scenario is like you can minimize the steps. Maximum to maximum I am using martingale for 3 steps, max to max 4, not more than 4, never. Make it 3, that's it. In case if you have a very strong signal or any data is coming into the picture, you can go for the 4th. Apart from that, I'll suggest avoid it. Second scenario, second thing. Now just suppose if I have taken first trade for $10, now I want to recover my money. Guys, there are 2 ways of 3 ways of trading. The first one, to save the money to take a couple of extra trades. Second one, to recover the money, and the third one is to make profit. So the first 2 tradings are interrelated. So now what I will do to recover $10, if I'll be taking a trade for $20, of course I'll be able to make some profits, but if that trade is in negative, I'll be at a negative of $30. So what I will be doing to recover $10, I'll be taking a trade of $12 or $13, or make it 15, not more than that. Now just suppose if your second trade is positive, of course you will able to recover your last $10. In case your second trade was not positive, so now your total loss is $25. To recover $25, if you will be taking a trade with $30, of course you will be able to recover everything which you have lost in the past. Now you will say that where is the difference? In first scenario, the first trade was for $10, the second one for $20, and the third one for $60. So 60 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 90, and in the second scenario, the first one for $10, second one for $15, and the third one for $30. So 30 plus 15, 45, plus 10, 55. So you managed to save $45 in the same process, in the same technique which is known as martingale, and that $45 can help you to take one additional martingale, or at least half. So that can help you to stay longer in the market, because I always suggest my traders that rather than keep on making deposits again and again, make one deposit and use it again and again, guys. I hope you guys are understanding, you guys are getting my point, that what I am trying to emphasize on. Work on these scenarios, because this thing that can help you to work on your trading psychology also, because the psychology, the pressure which you have on your mind when you are losing a trade of $100 is different as compared to when you are losing a trade of $10. Of course the $10 one is going to be lesser, because most of the time we are making mistakes when we are under a pressure that I have to recover money, I have lost a lot of money, now how I can recover the money. And one more thing, guys, if you have lost some money, I know if you will keep on coming to the $10 trade again after doing 3 steps, I know that will be hard for you to recover the previous losses, but that will be possible to recover that only once you have a hold on market. Otherwise you are just keep on just investing the money, you are just keep on taking some random trades. If your luck will work, of course you will be able to recover it. Otherwise that minus 20 will convert into minus 50, minus 50 will convert into minus 90, 90 will lead to minus 120, and that will keep on growing. And this is something where I have issue. I always suggest take trades wisely, calculate everything, calculate your risk, calculate your money management, and then proceed ahead. Okay, okay, I can see that there are a lot of comments. Okay, so there is a comment from Mr. Yoginder that he faced somewhere around 3,000 euros lost. Sir, see, it is possible to recover, but as I have already talked about that one, you have to work on your trading psychology. If you have lost it in a span of 2 month, 3 month, or 5 month, or a year, so at least give it a time to recover it. Make a target that in 1 month how much you want to recover. Make it a target of 500 euros or 1000 euro divided by the number of days, and then work on that target. Because if you will think that I will be able to recover in a single day or in a single night, that could be possible, like, but once in a blue moon that type of scenarios are there, like you will be able to recover that much big amount in a single night. But for that you have to do so much over trading, and if at any specific level you will face some negative results, of course you will again come to the same point from where you have started. Okay, yes sir. So the data got released at 7. Okay. Yogendra ji, a small request that please do not keep on posting the same comments, because sometimes there will be a lot of comments, so that will be very hard for me to scroll down and then look for that. Sir, do we need to concentrate on one strategy or try different with different assets? Sir, try to learn couple of strategies, so that will be Yogesh Prayagraj ji, hello. I hope you are doing good, and yeah, 127% book CPI news, very nice. Yeah, so that would be suggestible that if you will be learning a couple of strategies, so in case if any market news, market update, or market volatility is there, or your any specific strategy or technical tool indicator is not performing well, so you should be having a backup plan, you should be having a option B, that how you can make profits. Because if you will be depending on one strategy, and just suppose on that specific day that strategy is not performing well, or that indicator is quite slow, so sometime due to the frustration or the eagerness that it's been a long time that I haven't taken even a single trade, so I have to trade, let's take a random trade, and that one trade can change the complete scenario of your complete day. That just suppose if your first trade is not going into the positive side, and that can lead to a pressure that can ruin the complete day. So please focus on that thing and then trade as per that. Yes, Yogendra ji, you can recover your losses, but all you just need to work on your trading psychology, plus you need to work on your trading skills. And Yogendra Batwaji, one question for you, like what is your current level on the platform, like whether you are on advanced level, starter level, or expert level? Guys, you also can mention in the comment section, so I'll give you some information about that one. So okay, my target is to make 100k USD for MS in Europe. Of course, Mr. Akpak, you can make it, but of course, like that is not going to be a game of one night. You have to work for a couple of days, you have to struggle for a bit. If you will be focused about and clear about your target, and you will be avoiding over trading, that is not something which is very big to make. It will take time, but it is possible. Yogendra, that is possible. Money management. Thank you so much, Yogesh ji, for answering the same thing, like which I have been trying to give the information to Mr. Yogendra, that you have to work on your risk management, money management, follow the instructions, you have to work on your psychology, you have to learn something, because I believe the possibility of earning is there when you spend time on learning. So earning is after learning. So make sure you start investing time as well. It's not only about investing money in the market, it's also about investing time. So make sure you learn about the couple of things, you learn about the strategy, you work on your trading skills, and then you will be able to make profits. Okay, so we took 2 trades, one went into the negative side, and that was on a very edge, guys. See, The closing opening quote was 0.96 and the closing was 92 only. So let me see, if we would have opened a trade hardly 2 to 3 seconds prior to that, or at the exact level where we were supposed to, of course that trade was supposed to go into the positive side. So guys, a very quick information, everything is visible to you guys. So like the fresher the signal, the better the result. So you have to focus on that thing, stay focused, and then take trades rather than taking trades on random signals. Second trade was positive, we managed to make book a profit of $16. So we already recovered everything in which we have lost in the past. Nothing to worry, so far everything is going good, we are able to make profits. Junti, no problem at all. If you have still have any question, make sure you mention in the comment section. I am still live for at least next 5 to 7 minutes, so of course I will be covering that one. And I believe your doubt about your martingale and your money management is clear, and you are also well aware about the backtesting, that how you can do it. Still, if any doubt, make sure you mention in the comment section. And Yogendra Bartwalji, this is for you. Please make sure, just let me know that what's your level on the platform. So let me tell you the reason, guys, also, like why I am asking the level on the platform. So there is a service which is being provided by us, that let me clear, that is free of cost. You do not need to pay anything to me, any of my colleague, any of the analyst ever. So as per that service, you are getting one analyst from our end. So they will be conducting Zoom sessions with you. So this is like a YouTube session we are conducting. So that is going to be a Zoom session. So of course that is going to be a two-way communication. It's going to be a one-to-one session where they will be talking about different technical tools, strategies, indicators, everything. They will be giving you some information about that one, and they will be guiding you with your trading skills. One-to-one sessions are there, so of course if you will be having any doubts, you can ask them real time and they will be helping you with that thing. Second thing, as I have already mentioned, whether you are going to take one session or 1000 sessions, all these sessions are going to be free of course, guys. Each and every session is free, so make sure you take benefit of that. There is a small situation, like small condition, like which you have to fulfill. It's very easy, that you should be on expert level, because right now this service is available for expert level holders. Of course advanced level holder also can have one session in a month, but for expert level holders the number of session is a bit more. So make sure, if you are an expert level holder, take benefit of this opportunity, take sessions with your analyst and try to improve your trading. And for that, of course, we are going to give you a call, but just make sure that you have added your contact number on your profile. In case you have added your contact number, but we have tried to give you a call also, but you saw that it's an international number, so you were not able to have a conversation with us. So, or in case if you are not able to add your number, the best which I can suggest is just drop a message to support team, message, email, or just via call. Just let them know that you need some help in trading. Please raise a callback request. Just tell the same message, give the same message to them. And in case if you are not able to update your contact number, or you want a call on any another alternate number, just give that to the support, guys, to the support team only. Do not need to share anything in the comment section. Just give that number to the support team, and then they will forward that request to my department. Someone from my department will give you a call, and we will line up session with you. And again, I'll clarify that these sessions are going to be free of cost. Okay, so no, for today, no problem, Jintiji. I'm happy that I was able to clear all your doubts. In case in future, if you will be having any further doubts, if I am there or any of my colleague is there, feel free to ask the way you have asked today. I'm very happy that you had some doubts and you clarified with us, you talked about that, and I believe that I was able to help you. And guys, one more thing, like so as Mr. Akpak, they gave information that there was some CPI data. So if you are not aware about that one, so let me give you a quick information about that one, then we will be winding up this session. So time to time there is some data which is floating into the market, like CPI, PPI, NFP. Bank of Japan is changing their interest rate, Fed rates. So much data is floating into the market. So the best way, like how you can get a hold on that, like how you can get that information. So there are two websites which you can follow. The first one is investing.com and the second one is Yahoo Finance. So if you go to the investing.com, on the top in the middle there is a button with the name of economic calendar. Click on that button, go for the filter. For now, just for the beginning, go for the 3-star, start with the 3-star news, and start analyzing that how that market is reacting whenever that specific data is coming into the picture. Just a small quick overview that how you can predict that on which asset that specific thing is affecting. So just suppose if the data is from a US, so of course that is going to affect the US dollar, or all the assets which are related directly or indirectly with the US dollar, like gold and dollar. If the data is from the Europe, of course the euros are going to be there. So you can just have a look over there. And one more information for those traders, those who are new to the platform, guys, make sure you explore this button, help section. So the what's special in this button, so there are two buttons, help center and education. So make sure you explore these two tabs. A lot of information, guys, a lot of like how to make a deposit, withdrawal, verification, chart patterns, candle patterns, type of candles, everything is there. I'm sure that you will be able to get a lot of information. And once you are done with these two buttons, there is one more website which you can explore, which I am always suggesting to my traders. The name of this website is Investopedia. Go to the search bar, go for the price action. For the beginning, that is going to be enough. And I can assure you one thing, that if you have a great hold on your support resistance, your price action, you will be able to make handsome profits. And you can try them on specific basically on the indexes, but make sure whatever you are learning, whatever you are trying to get, make sure you practice first and then you apply on your live account. Okay, Yogechi, I'm so sorry, like we will not be able to take much of trades right away because we are just about to close the session, but I will just check. Okay, so Euro USD up, yes, the signal is about to be there. There is no consolidation in the previous market, there is a trend going into the market. The first confirmation was there a bit earlier as well, but the second confirmation was not there, so we need to wait for that. Once this crossover will be complete, only then we will be taking a trade. Crypto composite down. Okay, let me just check. Crypto composite down. Okay, so this signal was quite old. If you would have opened the trade at this level, so that trade might go into the positive side, but right now market is already in the another zone. So okay guys, I believe that this session was helpful for you guys. You have learned a lot of things, and make sure you practice everything, keep learning, keep earning, and stay focused. Try to work on your goals, stay away from over trading. So by this, your friend, your financial analyst Kunal Kapoor is ending up this session for the day. So thank you so much for joining. Make sure you subscribe the channel, support the channel, and be part of the family. So every time whenever we will be coming live, you will be getting a notification. So we will keep on connecting every now and then to help you in your trading. So guys, I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead, and bye bye, take care, cheers.